To see if the water flow valve is your problem, call for hot water at a sink and then head over to your control panel. It should look something like this. When the water heater is working properly, you should see 3 icons on your control panel: a fan, a flame, and a faucet. The faucet icon comes on when the water flow valve detects that water is flowing through the water heater. So if you don't have that faucet icon coming on when you call for hot water at a sink, it means that the water heater isn't detecting that water is moving, which is a really good sign that the water flow valve is your problem.